Hello, today I'm going to explain the advantage and disadvantage essay. We call it no opinion essay because we don't share our ideas in this type of essay. We paraphrase the given question. It is our first sentence in the introduction. As a second sentence, we give some advantages and disadvantages of this trend. In body paragraph 1, we show one or two advantage arguments. Explain support them. In order to support, we can give examples too. In body paragraph 2, we show one or two disadvantage arguments. We explain them and support them. In order to support them, we give examples and as a conclusion, we restate our arguments. We have one essay. Let me explain it. In some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages for young people who decided to do this. As you see, in introduction, we paraphrase the the question. Before embarking on college, many young people are advised that a year working or traveling may be a good option. Okay. As a second one, as I mentioned, we give some advantages or disadvantages. This essay will suggest that you start your second sentence with this phrase and you add some ideas. Saving money is the biggest advantage of this, and a reduced motivation to study is the primary disadvantage. Yes, we gave our advantage and disadvantage. Just one of them is enough. In paragraph 1, we start to write about, as I mentioned, one or two advantages. Third level education is very expensive, and lots of students decide to work for 12 months and save up money before they begin their studies. This allows them to pay for their living costs, tuition fees, and accommodation and focus on their studies. Yes, it is an advantage of it, yes. Rather than struggle financially or have to get a part of job on top of their academic work. The Times recently reported this as example to support the idea. The advantage, not idea. We don't have an idea here. We support the given advantage. Then, paragraph 2, we write disadvantage. Despite these advantage, we can start using this uh, phrase. Many students often get used to working or traveling and don't want to return to a life of study after a year off. This short-term view can cause some to bypass university altogether and go straight into a job is beneath their capabilities or may not offer the same prospects their future career might have done. For instance, as you see, we have again example to support disadvantage. And conclusion, in conclusion, to conclude, to sum up, we can use such kind of phrases to conclude the essay. We restate our advantages and disadvantages. And we use, however, to give our the next part. If we talked about advantage in the first part of the sentence, we can talk about its disadvantage in the second part of the sentence. Okay, that's all.